Good evening, everybody. So, as usual, once again, I'm here with you all to talk about anything that I feel fit to discuss. And today, as I have mentioned earlier in my previous video, that in today's video, I'm not going to talk about anything, you know, anything fast and hard, or no topic I have picked. In this particular video I will be telling you, because this is the 21st day of following the challenge, and I have completed my 20 days, straight 20 days. So I am here to share its consequences, its result, its impact, which I feel I need to talk about. Yes, so let's just start a talk about it. See, I won't say that it helped me immensely, just to just to show it a very effective. Yes, it is effective, but as I said, I have just completed its little less than 1/3 part of the duration of the challenge, which is 20 days. And neither I'm going to say that it's not effective, because until it is completed the 75th day, I can't say that this is not effective, this was not as we thought of this. No, because you don't know, you still going on in the process. But if I share that impact of those 20 days, so I would say, yeah, it was helpful. And more than learning language or gaining confidence and all, I really feel that it helped me in being disciplined. Yes, since I was following this, I know, my brain strictly knows that you have to finish it, no matter what happens, how you are going to do. This is not the mind's job. This is your job to think how you can find for some minutes a day and just finish it. So these activities made me disciplined. This is the first improvement, first change that I noticed in myself because of this challenge. Other than this, if I talk about each and every activity of the challenge one by one, like reading. So if I talk about reading, it's going so well. And recently, because I started reading with a academic book, yes, that I was having of on the subject of export import management, right? And that book was of my final year in graduation. But as my mentor suggested me to switch on books like not subjective books, she told me to read books like on personal improvements and life lessons or successful stories, like books those which are not subjective. She said, or she suggested actually, that you have to read books in which you can approach, or you can read somebody else's, definitely authors or writers brain, right? How he think, how he expresses his ideas, his thoughts, his emotions. So reading was not just reading letters or words in English. No, it's not. So fortunately, I was about to buy a book. Of course, I needed that, but luckily my cousin sister have all, already 3 books which I can read. So yeah, this is a good point. And right now I'm reading a book which is on life lessons, or written by Gaur Gopal Das, the famous monk in India and around the globe. Yeah, so if this was about reading, yeah, I would say it's very very helpful. And more than helpful, it keeps me engaging, it keeps me entertaining. I do not get bored while reading. No, never. Like people mention in their resumes, they say in their interview, reading as their hobby. But in my case, it is actually a hobby. When I read, I have to stop myself that it's enough, you have other works to do as well. So reading is something that I can do for a longer and longer hours. I don't get bored while reading. Yeah, then other activity like writing. So yes, honestly speaking, there were 2 or 3 days in which I could not actually uh, write anything, and these were the days, like, yeah, I missed them, but I cope up with them, because someday I went to market, and yeah, as you know, these days I also have to go to school, and because of that also my day becomes hectic. But except reading, all other activities I do honestly with my 100%. I knew that before going to bed I have to finish all these 6 activities. Other than writing, if I talk about vocabulary, so yeah, it's going on exactly track. I had not missed even a single day till now. It's 21st day, right? And listening, yeah, listening is something that I can manage anyhow. Like, I can even listen while I'm on the way to my work, while I'm returning home. So yeah, listening is very easy, or it's manageable. Then watching, yeah, it's very very favorite part of this challenge, because whenever I return to home and I just get fresh, I eat my lunch. While I'm eating lunch, I watch some videos. Obviously they are entertaining, but along with entertainment, I also learn from them. So yeah, it completes my watching section of the challenge. And what else, what activities? Yes, recording. Yeah, so recording, yeah, permanent. I hadn't missed even a single day. I have uploaded videos every day. And even if case, although it hadn't happened till now, but in case if I could not upload, that doesn't mean that I haven't recorded the video. I have recorded the video and it's stored in my gallery, and I'll upload it whenever I have enough data or time as well. But yeah, so recording is going on track. Only writing has missed for just 2 or 3 days. If I talk about today, so I have written, yeah, obviously about my experience, about my improvement on this running challenge. So these were the activities. uh, yeah, details about activities, this which of my activity is going on track or which is not going on track. So yeah, and if I conclude this video, so I would say that I don't let myself to get discouraged. Even I don't feel demotivated from inside in context of my challenge, because it keep me involved, it keep me you know doing something, and I know that it's going to help me in long run. So yeah, I can't expect miracles from this, definitely not. And this is just the 21st day of this challenge, and I saw immense improvement, because since I started recording, I could continuously speak or continuously, maintain the conversation around 10 to minute. Then I have to stop myself that yes, the duration of the video has elongated and now I have to stop, right? Because we can't, record the video of 30 to 40 minutes and then upload. Nobody is gonna listen to you. Although I don't target very, the views and all that. No, it's not the focus even, right? The primary focus is on that I have to practice, I have to speak, I have to, you know I have to do things for myself, not just for views and all that. Yeah, so that's all that I wanted to talk about in, relation to challenge. So yes, this brings me to the end of this video. Now just give me some time to decide a topic, because from tomorrow onwards I have to pick a topic, right? I can't just let that just go and talk about anything. No, I have to talk some issues, I have to talk about things, topics going on, and anything I can. So yeah, now let's talk about. Okay, I'll be sharing some interesting, definitely, facts and figures, news and updates means the same about our state. Yes, Madhya Pradesh. So I'll be talking about Madhya Pradesh, right? Whatever I would be able to tell you, whatever I knew, basically whatever I know about my own state, I'll be trying to conclude that in my next video. So thank you so much, stay tuned.